For this no-bake recipe, we will start by getting a clean bowl. Add in your biscuits. You can use graham crackers or digestive biscuits, whatever is available in your area. Break the biscuits in your hand. For this recipe, you don't really need any food processor to break the biscuits. You want them big and chunky, so breaking them in your hand is the best way for this recipe. The amount of biscuit we will use is about 4 cups or 270 grams of biscuit. Now we will move to the stove. I have this great device or apparatus for melting chocolate. You don't need to have it to do this. You can use a saucepan and add in a bowl at the top that can resist high heat to heat up the bowl and melt the chocolate and the butter. We used about 14 ounces of 70% dark chocolate, which is roughly about 400 grams, and 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, which is about 150 grams. When all the ingredients have melted, turn off the heat. Add in your sweetened condensed milk. Stir that in. Off heat. Make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated well. Then pour the whole mixture into the biscuits. Mix that in. For shaping our no-bake biscuit cake, you can use any mold you like. Here I'm using a cake mold. Another option you can use is some bread pan, like a toast pan, or any dish that you have that resembles a rectangle that you can cut the cake in. Even a square dish will work. In this recipe, you can either use a non-stick spray or parchment paper. I decided to go with parchment. Line it up all over the pan. Then pour in the mixture. Even the mixture out. Use your hands if you can't get to those difficult corners with the rubber spatula. Cover in plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge overnight. The next day, release the cake from the mold and parchment paper. I decided to show you the messy part of removing the parchment paper. Enjoy! cut into the desired pieces. I decided to go with the finger-shaped cake or small pieces. You can cut this into a triangle if you prefer. This is what it looks like from the inside. I hope you try this no-bake biscuit cake and you enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who like a no-bake recipe. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.